Dodge Challenger Hellcat driver arrested hellbound at 160 miles per hour. It's a new record for Hellcats in Indiana, but just barely. When fishermen catch big fish, they want the world to know about it. That's approximately how the Indiana State Police felt when they busted a 707 horsepower muscle car booking it at more than 160 miles per hour. The ISP were chuffed enough about the catch that they put out a press release titled, 160 mile per hour Hellcat tamed on the Indiana toll road. The Dodge Challenger Hellcat driver, Jesus Duran Sandoval, told the arresting officer that he was just trying to get to Maryland. The incident began just after Trooper Dustin Eggert finished helping a stranded motorist on the toll road at about 7 p.m. Eggert was merging back into traffic when he saw the Hellcat blast past at well beyond the 70 mile per hour speed limit, allegedly weaving through traffic and, shocked, not using a turn signal for lane changes. With a bandit on his hands, Eggert took the role of Smokey, and just like Burt Reynolds' movies, couldn't catch the offender. Seems that Indiana State Police Dodge Charger pursuit vehicles are speed limited to 150 miles per hour, allowing the Hellcat to pull away. Eggert radioed for officers ahead to look out for the Red Baron, but received an assist before other Leos swooped in. Eggert caught up to the Hellcat 11 miles down the road when the red coupe got held up behind two semis driving next to one another on the two-lane toll road. Sandoval pulled over, admitted he was doing a little more than 160 miles per hour, then delivered the Maryland defense unfazed by the fact that Maryland was more than 500 miles from his location. Turns out that 38-year-old Sandoval, from Lake Geneva, Wisconsin, was also unbothered by driving on an expired license. The coppers took Sandoval to the LaPorte County Jail and booked him on reckless driving, bond set at $505. Court date set for April 2nd. The ISP said this is the second time in 2 weeks they've busted someone doing more than 130 on the Indiana toll road. It's the second time in a year they've busted a Hellcat doing so. In April 2017, another pilot played bad out of Hellcat at 158 miles per hour, explaining his speed as a bit of show and tell for his friends in the car.